Hello, my name is Oliver Glanz and I'm a professor of Old Testament at Andrews University. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create digital flashcards with Cram. Now, Cram is a little web service that also has an app for Android as well as iOS devices that you can download free on the Android Play Store or the iOS App Store. See it right here, Cram. If you click on it, it allows you to select some flashcards, sets of flashcards that you have produced previously on the web app, and then start memorizing your words. So, for example, here I've just clicked on the flashcard. What is it? Hebrew 2, day 1. That's the vocab that I asked my students to learn on day number 1 of the intensive Hebrew 2 summer course. So you see here the whole list of flashcards that I've produced on Cram. Now the student can go here on the memorize or Cram mode or games mode and start learning those words. Sodom, by a swipe, flip the card and either click here on the green button or the red cross in order to indicate whether you were able to know the word. Erev, evening, I knew it, so I would click here on the button and then I would go to the next one. Patsar, let's say I don't know, flipping it over, it is to urge. So in that case, since I didn't know it, I would click here on the red cross, and that will lead all the vocab that I'm not able to memorize into a specific folder that I can then open at a later moment and dedicate myself to learning those words that somehow don't seem to stick in my to my mind or my memory. Petach, opening, and so on. All right, so the purpose of this tutorial is not to show you how the app works, but to show you how to create these vocab lists. Now, in order to create these lists, you go to the website of Cram first. Here we are. Once you have created your free account and logged in, you will be led to the home page of Cram. Well, I always suggest that before you do anything, you go to the dashboard, the flashcard dashboard of the Cram site. So we do this right here, and then from there you can not only create your new vocab sets or your new flashcard sets, but you can also organize them in a very pleasant way so that you can find them later easily and also provide easy access to your students when they want to learn the cards that you have produced for them, or perhaps they produce the cards themselves. So create new set, that's where everything starts. You click here on create new set, and once you have done that, you have to give it a title. So let's call this YouTube tutorial, and then you have two options to basically fill in or produce flashcards. Either you manually type in each single flashcard with the Hebrew gloss, in my case now the Hebrew word here, and then the English gloss on the backside, which is very laborsome work, as you understand. Or you click here on import a flashcard set, which I highly recommend you to do. Import a flashcard set. Then you see here the copy and paste window, and basically into this window you copy paste the vocab that you have already in a different format, be that a Word document like here or an Excel file somewhere else. So what you're doing is you copy paste your Hebrew and English words and then just paste them into this box. Now once you have done that, by an instant of a second, you see that we have produced 26 flashcards with the Hebrew entry here in the front column, and then on the back column, the back side of the flashcard, the English glosses. Now you click then on import data, and once you have done that, your flashcards are produced. You see here all the flashcards now. Once they are produced, you can finish the procedure by clicking on create set. So once you have clicked on create set, your vocab is ready for you to access and to rehearse or start with the learning process. So I'm now I just went back here to the flashcard dashboard. You can see here we have our Cram tutorial, set title Cram tutorial, with 26 flashcards in here. So we could now go back to our mobile device and then just refresh our vocab lists, and we should see here in a second our YouTube tutorial vocabulary list. Here it is, YouTube tutorial. Now you just click on it, then start memorizing, and here are all the words that we just put into Cram, and they're available as a digital flashcard. So I hope that tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, just put them into the comments and let me know what else you need to know, and I hope to answer you in due time. All right, looking forward to hear from you. Goodbye.